Well, that's a good way to start, with her doing the yoga pose and not me. So this is a product out called Absolute Yoga Mastery PLR, fresh out today. It's let's start at the finish. It's $9.99, so $10. Unrestricted use rights. You can do anything you want with this. You can break it up. You can use it for blog posts. You can sprinkle, change, do anything you want with it. So let's go look inside and see what you get for your $10. Here we go. You're gonna love the. There you go. $9.95. All about yoga. Look at these chapter. The chapter pictures. Science of yoga. Yoga history. Emotions and the mind-body connection. I'll never be able to do that. Wow. Strength and flexibility from yoga. Yoga, cardio, and weight loss. Types of yoga. Yoga in your immune system. Adds 10 years to your life, supposedly. How to get started doing yoga. Preventing injuries. Yoga and meditation, and the whole 9 yards. So you can, exactly what I said, you can make use of this any way you want. You can use it in your product. You can rebrand the ebook, resell it, and keep it all the money yourself. Start a blog membership with it. Put your name as the author. Do anything you want. And this is a, like I say, it supposedly adds 10 years to your life. I'm going to cut it short like that. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's lovely pictures, bit of a breakdown of what's inside it, what you can do with it, some bonuses that come with it, and it's pretty straightforward. You click the product box, and away you go. You can grab a copy of this for $9.95. Fresh out today, Absolute Yoga Mastery PLR, unrestricted use rights. Go check it out for $10. Enjoy. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. You click the link in the video description, and you can grab a copy of this for $10. Go check it out.